Hi students. Now geography, the chapter natural resources, it is completed. Its explanation is completed in the previous video. Now just we can see the review section, the quick review section. First, what are resources? Anything that satisfy our need is called the resources. मतलब जो भी हम लोग का ज़रूरत के लिए जो होता है उसी को हम लोग बोलता है रिसोर्सेस बोलता है. Natural resources are found naturally all around us. उसमें natural resources that we can found all around us, वो आसपास में सब जगह में है. These natural resources can be biotic or abiotic resources. Biotic resources or abiotic resources. Biotic resources means the living things. The living things as the resources is called biotic resources. And abiotic resources means the non-living things. Non-living things as a resource is called abiotic resource. And renewable or non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means the resources that can be renewed or replenished quickly. Renewed or replenished quickly, it is called renewable resources. Example, soil and forest. It is called renewable resources. Then we studied non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources means the resources which cannot be replenished immediately, or the non-renewable resources will take millions of years to regenerate. Then actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources means the resources which have non-reserve. Resources which have non-reserves are called actual resource. जो resources का reserve कहाँ है, वहाँ पर वो resources कितना होता है, ये हम लोग को मालूम है तो उसी को बोलता है actual resources. The potential resources are, these are known to exist but they have not been used yet. वो ऐसा resource है हम लोग को already हम लोग को मालूम है वो है, लेकिन अभी तक उसका यूज नहीं हुआ है, उसको बोलता है पोटेंशियल रिसोर्स. देन कंटिन्यूअस रिसोर्स. कंटिन्यूअस रिसोर्स मीन्स दे आर बेस्ड ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी, या फिर ऐसा भी बोल सकता है जो रिसोर्सेस हमारे यहाँ अनलिमिटेड है, जो नेवर एंडिंग है, उसको बोलता है द कंटिन्यूअस रिसोर्सेस. एग्जाम्पल, द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सन, द टाइड, विंड, these all are called the continuous resources. Then human made resources. We studied human made resources. Human made resources means the resources made by human with the help of natural resource. Natural resources का help से जो बनाया जाता है उस तरह का resources को बोलता है human made resources. The most important as they have the skill and the knowledge to utilize the resources. उसमें सबसे important बात यही है, human beings को वो skill है, वो knowledge है जिसके जरिए वो natural resources का बढ़िया इस्तेमाल कर सकता है. The next we studied conservation of natural resource. Conservation means the protection of natural resource. And we also studied all natural resources should be, they need to be sustained, means they need to be protected. We should use the natural resources at the present time, as well as we should conserve it for the future. It is called a sustainable development. These are all the points we have studied in this chapter. The next we can look at the exercise section. The first section is multiple choice question.